So watara dey ba kwa waye no hasa. So amana ye difficult and say and they offer house of folk supporters in Ukraine. Watara timi abo modern ache supporters nim. Who watch supporters in our house?
And go up no.
Watch supporters in say. Our session of house of folk supporters are occur a lot to them. And our mama at a point almost full so almost support Watara but actually where you mama.
About way.
About them and share them who baby.
Okay.
It's even house of folk supporters front no. Ya womo mu dwa Watara and ya womo mu fili Watara.
Okay.
Acquire to the extent say even section of the supporters crowd will believe say and you baby wa Watara and the sikaye. Ya club the penny for them sikaye. Yes, typical example your trip to Togo. And the supporters need be trim say Watara and the far Togo ni
how would that happen?
What say?
I better know I
Asante na make a chiro no.
How can a coach use his money for pre-season?
Dear coach no.
Oh, assistant coach in class salary can one try. Watara ni try.
Oh.
On say be new. E be na ba for
propaganda, we propaganda.
Eti or try as much as possible. Say Zoto. Say empo resource
well, like is allowed in
resource crown ko ya. Supporters in beba be di nachi. Ba me dey say dey be American say after has game omo against Legon Cities last year. E wo dawu. Sa match no omo wie ya Watara yes say interest. Sa dana na so mpam Watara.
So the players that they have.
Nana mi nwa ase e ka say ye mo has of for mpanyifo abaso. Omo na akofa we nyina aba. Ti abaso omo mfata boss body.
So mama na chess ano.
No, because we don't
tolerance.
We refi say Watara has appointment kan ha say nipa for over 15 years. We free touch line. Adia so there bezoto oye no. Now we get used to it now yes. But we dey work for market actually. Then we go for na baso meye coach. Ebe na ye. Yan kan fa ya me am wo for C mining. CB's production. Bezoto so okay. CB's production. Bezoto we dey first C mining. And now go first C mining betna ha.
Says or present or yeah,
definitely. Ebi na house here with Watara.
But this one you be 6 months, 3 months.
You to be thing because Watara chirache. Tell and say more about me oh see. I me go was my Muhammad. Was you remember Muhammad. Ebi na house here with Watara.
We still this yeah.
Eti me there. Enye so okọ doma ayi okọ ayi takwa ekobo against Mediama. No kure na wa se we say ha se pa omompama tare fufuo be du emfanhye Watara bibia ne ho besesa ade na ye tuntum tu di fufuo kura hye na tuntum ni ph fufuo no onye the man for the job
no one a man for the job
omanim na say Togo ba yi Togo be majority shareholder of the club so too we appoint a lot of coaches meboa we appoint a lot of coaches. So we striking by percentage. Emu be 85% afeli. 15% aya there.
Kineshi.
It actually say has a board no when it comes to appointment of coach no more problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Kotoko game no more born and run. You told me them if you say we do hu ko bo bi na nipa no wo tumi a. Eze tumi ne bi so. Yes, obi our right to criticize Ogum, but maybe this is my view on any game. Okay, say Kotoko ball omone samates wie no. Maybe ball Kotoko 2 wing backs na baso. Lord Amo no na Asiedu.
Yeah.
Say obo in a 3 back system a. 2 wing backs na so more energetic. It will use a lot of energy. Etu yo Kotoko last 2 games omo boy before Baseke Holy Stars game na. They tell me ball my bass say wing backs need to me a perform here and our 3 back system na juma. Now looking at the energy omu use no na be ye den same so to on beti use sa energy na in a league ya ball league ne na be abo wuku that 3 days interval be problem their mom. Until we a coach you try to find a way to manage it. Ye nyina nim say na Kotoko ne efe no so to ayonko father omontem. Eno mo na be wa dey say ne beto so and I was saying the same thing. Legon Cities no go home no. Zoto obo game Friday. The last league boy before Enra game no obo game Friday. It will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days and the rest here. Kotoko, Echo Boba Seke Holy Star Sunday when you say. From Kumasi to Enyinase 7 hours. From Enyinase to Accra 7 hours. Omobo game ni Sunday we no. Zoto. Omobeda. Ama de achi Monday no mbesim. Mbokwa ko du Monday anwumre. Omodu a Monday no muntimi nye training. Tuesday no mbe tun ade achi a. No mobobo wukwada. So how do you even recover players? Out of bobo. Eti omo lead Kotoko na omo do mo akobo F4 no. Omo nyusu say omo yonko fa no to also protect the team. Say the be benya result because Legon Cities now no bo mo crab on the Friday. And no me game now like in the first half. Nothing was working for Kotoko. Yes, at a point me feel say maybe you can talk about players that we use to but Pitami Duya obo as a win back in. Last season, majority of the games I can say Pitami Duya they no bo as a win back.
Okay.
Saka de sama ka say yes, me mansion what no bo for Kobe. But with a few games I'm here, Kotoko no, he's here to convince me.
Okay.
Entry no so no, Zoto. Trimude kakra wo nafa, onye ho adwuma. Trimude kakra wo nafa. I said the
So
ball.
Legon Cities played on Saturday.
Saturday.
Not Friday. Yeah.
Okay. Onye Saturday no adwuma. I think say Kotoko supporters no omunya abotrema wogum.
Okay.
So treme chana say.
Yeah.
Time no master te no ma hu say key people be master te omo bo na chini sa anyoma no. Team ye any results na a lot of factors and kikabo me kofa results ba. And situation where there me tell say me feel say am Kotoko. Nti ye hwe mo next league game on be against a Heart of Lions.
Captain.
Midodo.
Yes.
A terrible first half. Coach Ogum starting 11 poor. Extremely poor, not fit to describe. I was not surprised he started second half. No, he had 3 changes because on one occasion who said Ototo Papa so power the selection or first half. No, I mean it's the worst Kotoko first half I actually since this league started, and I'm hoping so be lessons from that particular first half. Setup or the core. But the first issue is that Kotoko drop a point against Baseke, 2 points. 2 points against Young Apostles, and then not drop 3 points against Tima League not last year.
And I'm Chelsea board draw.
Yes, Chelsea board draw, yes. But so 3 matches with Baseke, Young Apostles, Legon Cities. First thing I've been here say say Kotoko ne nkofo me yankwala no to team no team say omuso a omutimi run 90 minutes ba Kotoko te so pa omubre Young Apostles, young team, tactically disciplined. Omutie the coach ne they can run, they can close spaces, they can press. Kotoko bre entry had to score from a distance against Baseke Ghazali team. No 90 minutes to the boys were running. No more press Kotoko team no omutimi Kotoko nya draw. And then against Legon Cities, one thing was clear: Legon Cities press Kotoko, and they were forcing the Kotoko center backs to give bad passes. And player about comes to first half or chere quality was Andrews in team menu. In team nature quality was game in the first half. Apart from basically almost every player was poor. Entry jeba to how Ombe Russia no normal starving from having that space to exchange his passes. And Blay, that was a 40 pass that led to the first goal. Almost pressing, making it difficult for Blay to even build up, making it difficult for Samba and even Ablo. And Samba was struggling to set the pass from defense to midfield. Dimoto, he decided to go long. And long ninyina to to no boni nyina obana Peter intimi reche ball no. Awuche intimi reche ball no. Inti Ogum need to work on that because as en kwala nkete ni hia.
Park we see the boys may be able to the left side.
Yeah.
Kakram here. Them biasena they were putting pressure.
Yes.
Overloads on the left side.
Yes.
So where
make it answer Park we see utilize a wing backs. Once a wing backs no come anymore. Omu just spaces. Just a Kotoko for ni beam. Ti no ma Kotoko cram passing free. E ti no one ben fin po. And also Ogum peso hihye ne kakra. And that was the issue. So Ogum need to look at that. You'll be meeting a lot of young players Now yes adeɛ na so mo unya turnovers close to the penalty box. Now say omo catch it, your goalkeeper unaware, it will be a bad issue for Asante Kokoto. Inti, that is the first thing that should happen moving forward as Asante Kokoto coach FN Ogumotimi. The second thing is that there are certain individual players clearly coach Ogum need to find way for them to get their form. One, Peter Amedu this season to Ohunuso. Peter any form back say crying and I was not surprised about first half New Year coach Ogum in frame. In moments like this, so I study Emmanuel Ntwam so too. It looks like on any position there is nobody else to play that role. Nipa ye jini diso betimi boss aye Babaya and Babaya is not playing. The starting season about matches nimba akon mienu no ball from wings. Ni nyina na coach ni frame and oko pry after that oba and onya bim boy. So to say kotoko creative midfield no. No so to kotoko creative midfield no. We entry free one nipa ba ko betimi creative passes. Nim say or ya de otimi code onto the ball otimi give you passes. Babaya.
Somebody the same position.
So clearly entry
you can use the two of them in a game.
No, you can use them because Ogum Yusu, Fabio Gama and Richmond Lamte. Ogum Yusu, Lamte, and Babaya. And I know about one defensive midfielder.
Richmond Lamte.
Timbo.
Timbo too. Lamte running more than these players.
So that is why I'm saying.
Entry works a lot.
Until I'm say,
ball on him. Who's the first in
I know, but Okan last time say no ball as a deep line midfielder no. Until I'm who the can't win the Olympic score relegation. I said that entry back at Okono. I will check in the position the baby or ball.
No, that was on said me say Oboho and
I wonder if after number 10 no or very comfortable in any other position. He knows how to play. Ball no one and answer F. But without the ball, you don't see him. The ball no crying, they are born on him. What's the first time no was now? Okay, I said this here. Say, you need to work harder, and I'm
I need a coach. It comes back to coach.
It's a style of play.
Say, creative on issues for because somebody need to come in. Then your match is not betting about 90 minutes. Your match is not so you'll be back on. Now we create more chances.
Now we have Sunday.
One more Sunday, one more. Sunday, Baba one Bobby.
One macra.
One bo.
There be any one more. If you say ball.
He was on the bench throughout. Babaya, apart from the first two games on started game, Baba and a free bench. And so there are still issues which the coach need to fix because people are complaining. One, Awuche more than we say Peja. Because he say Kotoko any more so too. We Albertamu 5 goals out of the 8 goals are Kotoko. So it's either Dauda Saka best start Yashebi. I would best start Yashebi. Because ain't me one player
channels no doors.
Go angles never. Na koya from one particular person. You cut him off, the team start to struggle.
Okay.
Ain't there are issues. No too but
I think so. For your quick one man on fat we must say
Tama on Kotoko against Karela.